Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here with an exciting comparison video. Today, we'll be comparing some fantastic media players: Mecool, MK9 Pro, Superbox S, 5 Max, Amazon Fire TV Cube, and NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Let's see which one comes out on top and which one excites you the most. But first, if you enjoy this type of content and are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the Mecool MK9 Pro. For me, the biggest advantage of this device is its 4K Ultra HD and HDR support. Yes, you heard that right. Everything you watch with this player will be sharper and more vibrant. Plus, the Google Assistant integration is a nice feature. Just say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like today?" and you'll instantly know the forecast. Convenient, isn't it? Now, let's check out the Superbox S5 Max. In my opinion, the standout feature of this device is its plug-and-play functionality. If you're not very tech-savvy, don't worry. You can start using this player right away. And yes, you heard correctly, it has voice control support too. Just pick up the remote and control your content with voice commands. Next up, we have the Amazon Fire TV Cube. The reason I like this device the most is its smart home integration. Yes, you heard that right. With this player, you can control your smart home devices. No need to get up and search for the light switch on the wall. Just use the remote to control the lights. Lastly, let's take a look at the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. In my opinion, the most exciting feature of this device is its gaming support. Yes, you heard that right. With this player, you can play PC games on your TV. This is a fantastic feature for a gaming enthusiast like me. In conclusion, each device has its own unique advantages, and determining which one is best for you depends entirely on your needs and preferences. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to mention in the comments which device is your favorite. See you in the next video. Goodbye!